Hello everyone, I am Meena Gupta, PGT Computer Science, Kendriya Vidyalaya Noida, Regional Office Agra. This is Unit 3 of Computer Networks and this is Part 2 which will cover networking devices. This is from 12th IP new syllabus. What are networking devices? So these devices are used to connect computers or other gadgets to form a network so that sharing is possible. Various networking devices to be covered in this video lesson are network interface card, modem. RJ45 is registered jack 45 port. So it is shown over here. This is the port used to make a network because the cable is inserted in this port. This is also called Ethernet network. This is available on NIC, on switch, hub and router. As we can see, this is a picture of a switch showing RJ45 port. RJ11 port is used to connect telephone port. Network interface card is the very first component used to make a network. This may be wireless or using cables. So both the pictures, this is a wireless NIC card having antennas and this is having this Ethernet port RJ45 through which we connect the cables. Now let us understand the two types of addresses used in networking. These two addresses are IP address and MAC address. IP is Internet Protocol, MAC is Media Access Control. IP address is the logical address of a computer on the network. This address may be same on two different networks, but NIC but MAC address, Media Access Control address, is the unique physical address which is assigned to each NIC. And in the previous slide we have learned without NIC we cannot make a network. So this address is unique. It cannot be changed. But this address can be changed. This is 4-byte address and this is a 6-byte address. Examples are shown for both the addresses. Modem. The function of modem is modulator as well as demodulator. As we all know, computer is a digital device which works on 0 and 1 signals as shown here. So these signals, if we have to transmit through the telephone line, has to be converted to analog or wave signals. So this function of modulation is done by this particular modem. Again, at the receiving end, the signal received is in analog form is converted back to digital form so that we can read it through the computer through this modem. So over here it is performing demodulation. Repeater. Repeater is used to regenerate the signal. Using repeater, we can extend the length of the network. If we have to transmit a signal over a long distance, then after traveling some distance, it gets weaker. So this repeater device, if inserted in between, can regenerate the signal. Like here, this is a weak signal and after use of repeater, again the original signal is regenerated. Then we have three devices, hub, switch and router. Hub and switch almost functions same. They have same functions but in a different way. Router is used to connect two different networks, whereas hub and switch are used to make networks. Now the function of hub is as a broadcaster. Hub will broadcast the message to all the devices connected. The example of hub and switch from our daily life, like if I am taking a class and whatever I am speaking, I am working like a hub. All the students in the class can listen. But if I call a particular student near me and I tell something special to that particular student, then that is the function of switch. That the message is given to a particular recipient. So in this diagram you can see the signal is transmitted to all the four devices. And in this diagram we are showing a 4-port hub. Hubs and switches comes in the multiple of 2. The number of ports are in the multiple of 2 like 2, 4, 8, 16, 24, 48. So as per our requirement and the number of devices we have to connect, we can buy hub and switch. Again, this is the functionality of hub shown that the data is copied to all the 4 ports. Again, hub is of 2 types, active and passive hub. Active hub does one additional function, that is of the repeater. It also repeats the signal. Switch is a multi-port device used to connect multiple devices, but it works on MAC address to forward the data. Again, it is intelligent as compared to switch as compared to hub because it filters also. So as you can see here, this data is transmitted to switch, and from switch it is only going to one particular device for which it is intended to. In these two pictures also we can see computer 1 transmitting to computer 2, but other two computers are not receiving the message. And in this picture also the message is transmitted, the signal is transmitted to one particular port only. Hubs and switches are used to exchange data within a local area network. They are used to make a local area network, and then to exchange data outside a network we need another device that is called router. Router, as shown here, is connecting this network to an external network through this modem, say internet. This router works on IP addresses. Let us see the function of router. This is a red network having a particular IP address. As we just know that router works on IP addresses. So through this router, the various signals are passing red, yellow, green, but this router is only allowing red signals to come to this red network and all other signals are rejected. Again, routers works like a traffic controller. So in this diagram, we can see there are 4 networks, 4 LANs, red, yellow, green and blue through these switches. Again, these switches are connected to 4 routers and all the 4 routers are connected to this router. So this router in between, all the 4 routers connecting all 4 networks. Now all the 4 networks can communicate to each other according to their IP addresses. So this router will also do filtration, traffic control. It will pass red signal to this network, it will pass yellow signal to this network, green signal to this network and blue signal to this network. Router also decides the routes for the data packets to travel, the best route. Bridge. It interconnects two different networks using same protocol. This is very important, same protocol, and the two networks will work like as they are a single network. So basically we can extend LAN using bridges. We have seen bridges over river, over roads. So two roads are connected using a bridge. Now both sides of people can use that bridge to go to other side. Similarly, once the bridge is used, any computer of one network can communicate the other computer of the different network through a bridge. Gateway. It acts as a gate between two networks, and in this a special thing is that it works two networks with different protocols, whereas bridge works with same protocols. It may be a router, firewall or server which can control traffic to flow in and out of the network. Let us test what we have learned through this video. So question 1 is, there is a tour and travel company which has its multiple offices in Jaipur and want to establish a new office in Jaipur itself All the offices are in the radius of 900 meters. Now you have to name the network in these situations. The first one is the new branch office is connected with the regional office in New Delhi. So we are connecting our office in Jaipur to New Delhi around 200 kilometers. So network type is MAN. Second is all the buildings or branch offices are connected to each other which are within Jaipur in the area of 900 meter. So this network is LAN. Second question is identify the following topologies. A signal or data packets transmit from one end to other end in a linear way. We have to name the topologies. This we have studied in the previous part of this networking series. So this topology is bus. Each node is connected to two and only two neighboring nodes in circular form, and this is ring topology. Third question is there are two schools at a distance of 120 meters. They both have LANs and both want to connect their LANs using UTP cables to share e-learning resources. But after joining there was loss of signal in between. So what should be done to resolve this issue? So which device we need to install between the two schools? That is repeater. Question 4. An internet service provider has a network within a city. So what type of network is it? MAN. Just like cable network is a MAN. Identify the following devices. A device which is used to connect different type of networks. It performs the necessary translations so that the connected network can communicate properly. So this is gateway. A device that converts data from digital bit into analog and vice versa. This is modem. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed the session.